Good morning, students. Today's your study topic is First Flight, Chapter 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. अफ्रीका में भी एपार्थाइड सिस्टम था। एपार्थाइड इनडिस्क्रिमिनेशन सिस्टम, भेदभाव वाली प्रणाली। भारत में जैसे महात्मा गांधी ने इस भेदभाव पूर्ण समाज की व्यवस्था को खत्म करने में एक अहम योगदान दिया था, वैसे ही साउथ अफ्रीका में नेल्सन मंडेला का कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा था। नेल्सन मंडेला ने फ्रीडम को पाने के लिए क्या लिखा, क्या किया, ये इस लेसन में वो बताते हैं। नेल्सन मंडेला, लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम। In this extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion, the inauguration. In this lesson, his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks that historical function, inauguration. Can you guess what the occasion might be? Check your guess with this few news item of 10th May 1994. It means in South Africa, the first inauguration function was celebrated on 10th May 1994. What was the news? Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule, white British rule. Nelson Mandela became first black president of South Africa after passing of 3 centuries of British rule. Mr. Mandela's African National Congress Party won 252 of the 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa's history. His party, African National Congress, won 252 votes out of 400 seats in first democratic election in South Africa's history. It is the first time. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Building Amphitheatre in Pretoria today, attended by the politicians and dignitaries from more than 110 countries around the world. 140 countries around the world. Inauguration ceremony, उद्घाटन समारोह, took place, happened. That inauguration ceremony held in the Union Building's amphitheater. Amphitheater, that building which is marked in curved style in Pretoria. In this function, many politicians and respected persons, dignitaries, respected persons came there to attend that function from more than 140 countries around the world. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Nelson Mandela in his address. नेल्सन मंडेला ने अपने भाषण में बोला कि ये सुंदर पृथ्वी अब कभी भी एक व्यक्ति के द्वारा दूसरे व्यक्ति का शोषण, ऑपरेशन, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, शोषण बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी. जुबिलेंट scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites and colors celebrating together. Jubilant scene, happy scenes. Pretoria streets were filled with happy scenes because in this ceremony, many black persons, many white persons in different colors dresses, they were celebrating this function together. More than 1 lakh South African men, women, and children of all races sang and danced with joy. More than 1 lakh South African men, women, and children belonging to all races sang and danced with joy. This was the first news from BBC on 10th May 1994 inauguration function which was held in South Africa after getting victory African National Congress. Now your text. 10th May dawned bright and clear. Dawned मैंने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी आपको बताया है. Dawn very early morning और इसका अपोजिट dusk. 10th May's very early morning was very bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. Besides by, to be surrounded by. Nelson Mandela is saying this fact that I had been pleasantly surrounded by many respected persons and many popular world leaders who were coming to show their respects before the inauguration. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. This function would be largest function in which international leaders came on the land of South Africa. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater constructed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. This ceremony was held in lovely sandstone amphitheater building. That building was constructed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy. For many 10 years, this seat belonged to British rule, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Non-racial, opposite race. Installation situated at that time after a long time vacuum on the 10th May. This place is filled with many type of persons in which not only white but also black person were placed in various colors dresses. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Janani. Autumn day, pleasant day. On that pleasant day, Nelson Mandela was present with his daughter Janani. On the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first sworn took oath, कसम लेना, in as second deputy president. In function on the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first person who took the oath of his post as second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president. After it, Thabo Mbeki took oath as first deputy president. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey. Pledge took वो प्रतिज्ञा लेना, to obey and uphold reback the constitution. Nelson Mandela is accepting this fact. When it was his chance, he took the vow, he took the promise to follow and reback the constitution situation and to devote dedicated to the well-being of the republic and its people. For the dedication himself towards the well-being of republic and its people. इस पैरा में आपने देखा कि उस फंक्शन में सबसे पहले मिस्टर डी क्लार्क ने सेकेंड डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट की तरह शपथ लिया, थाबो म्बेकी पहले डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट थे और नेल्सन मंडेला ने पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाए रखने, उसका अनुसरण करने और अपने रिपब्लिक और अपने देश के लोगों के प्रति निष्ठावान होने का वायदा किया. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said, before guests, I remarked, today all of us do by our presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Confer, provide. Here, from today, by the presence of every person, we expect the glory and the expectations for the freedom. हम आज के दिन जो नई हमें स्वतंत्रता मिली है उसकी उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम इसकी प्रतिभा को बनाए रखेंगे. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, जो असामान्य मानवीय बाधाएं हमारे समय में लंबे समय से चली आ रही थी, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. That disaster will be finished, and from this day we will get success to establish a new type of society. On that society, all humanity will feel proudness. We who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be the host to the nations of the world on our own soil. Outlaws detach according law. Detach according law. Privilege, facility, rare, यूनिक. हम सभी लोग जो लंबे समय से कानून से अलग कर दिए गए थे, आज हमारी अपनी मिट्टी पर संसार के समस्त राष्ट्रों के होस्ट के रूप में हम इस सुविधा को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं और हम रिपब्लिक को बनाए रखने का, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाए रखने का वायदा करते हैं. ये भाषण नेल्सन मंडेला इनऑग्यूरेशन सेरेमनी में दे रहे हैं. वी थैंक ऑल ऑफ आवर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट फॉर हैविंग कम टू टेक पोजीशन with the pupil of our society of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. Distinguished, respected, take possession to join. Nelson Mandela showed his thankful condition towards all the guests who came from every country, who came here to show his respect, their respect for the victory, which was for justice, peace, and the respect for humanity. We have at last achieved our political emancipation, amni- emancipation, freedom from restrictions. He cleared this fact. At last, we got freedom from many political restrictions which was constructed by the British government. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Nelson Mandela, showing the liberty to all people from the bondage, slavery, that bondage is due to slavery, deprivation, state of not having condition, वंचित होना, suffering gender and other discrimination. नेल्सन मंडेला अपने देश के लोगों को वो सभी आज़ादी देने की प्रतिज्ञा कर रहे हैं जो उन्हें गरीबी से, भौतिक संसाधनों के प्रयोग करने से या जेंडर वाइज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होने से बचाए. Never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. The soil, the land of this beautiful South African land will not face any type of exploitation by the human towards any human in future. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. That sun, which is the symbol of progress, this sun will never set on so glorious a human achievement. Under the progress, we will get very rare progress by the human achievement. Let freedom regain. God bless Africa. This is the part of the speech by the Nelson Mandela. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters, and troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings. Within few moments after the speech of Nelson Mandela, all the guests had to had to raise their eyes in surprising condition. एप का अर्थ फियर होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एप का अर्थ सरप्राइज होगा. इन सरप्राइजिंग कंडीशन as a spectacular array, an impressive display, colorful and attractive. South African jets, helicopters, and troop carriers, groups of jet, groups of many type of vehicles, helicopters, jets of South African roared began to move in perfect formation over the Union building. They were making a perfection in the formation style of Union building. नेल्सन मंडेला की स्पीच जैसे ही खत्म हुई, सभी दर्शकों की आंखें आकाश में उठ गईं, क्योंकि वहां पर साउथ अफ्रीकन जेट्स, हेलीकॉप्टर्स और विभिन्न प्रकार के विमान एक पूर्ण तरीके से यूनियन बिल्डिंग के ऊपर से उड़ने लगे. इट वॉज नॉट ओनली ए डिस्प्ले ऑफ पिन पॉइंट प्रिसिशन exact point of balance, and military force. This performance by the helicopters or jets is not showing only exact point balance or military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy. Demonstration, performance. It was a performance towards democracy by the military. ये परफॉर्मेंस, ये वर्क जो हुआ था, ये वहां पर संतुलन बनाने के लिए या सैन्य शक्ति को दिखाने के लिए नहीं था, बल्कि सेना का प्रजातंत्र के प्रति समर्पण दिखाने के लिए था. टू अ न्यू गवर्नमेंट दैट हैड बीन फ्रीली एंड फेयरली इलेक्टेड. इट वाज ए great performance, high performance towards that government which was formed by Nelson Mandela towards the democracy. I was not unmindful, mm, sorry, only moments before the highest generals of the South African Defense Force and Police, their chest bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. Bedecked, decorated with ribbons and medals. इसके बाद बहुत साउथ अफ्रीकन डिफेंस की मिलिट्री फोर्स की जनरल, पुलिस, जिनके सीनों पर रिबन्स और मेडल्स बंधे हुए थे और जो आज के दिन पहले वाइट के द्वारा ब्लैक पर अत्याचार का प्रतीक होते थे, उन लोगों ने मुझे सैल्यूट किया और मेरे प्रति वफादारी दिखाने का वे आश्वासन दिया. I was not unmindful of the fact, unmindful of, conscious of fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted but arrested me. मुझे याद है कि कुछ ही वर्ष पहले ही वे लोग मुझे सैल्यूट नहीं करते थे, बल्कि मुझे अरेस्ट करते थे. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets, a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. Chevron, a pattern in the shape of V. At last, Impala jets moved in the shape of a V, making smoke by black, red, green, blue, and gold of न्यू साउथ अफ्रीकन फ्लैग. लास्ट में इम्पाला जेट्स निकली, जिनके धुएं काले, लाल, हरे, नीले और सुनहरे रंग के हुए, जो नए साउथ अफ्रीकन झंडे को दिखा रहे थे. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. That day was memorized for me by the playing of two national anthems and the vision of whites singing Nkosi Sikelel I Africa and blacks singing Die Stem. उसके बाद वहां पर दोनों नेशनल एंथम हुए. पहले केवल वाइट होते थे, अब ब्लैकों का भी नेशनल एंथम हुआ. वाइट का एंथम था निकोसी सिकलेल आई अफ्रीका एंड ब्लैक्स का एंथम था डाई स्टेम, द ओल्ड एंथम ऑफ द रिपब्लिक. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem, they once despised, hated. Before it, no one wants to listen the other group's national anthem. But on the inauguration day, both parties were singing each another's national anthem. It is the beautiful object of inauguration. They would soon know the words by heart. And not only they sing, Both black and whites were able to know the real meaning of hurt. Now, in this part, first video of Nelson Mandela, you are able to find to explain of these paras. In my next video, I will send the explanation of more part of this lesson. Please keep memory to subscribe and like and dislike. Thank you. Have a nice day.